Wow.
Is the rain hitting you?
Yeah, but it's not that bad on me.
Running cold now, you good?
Yeah. Must be the cold front then. It was in the 70s last time I checked.
You can't hardly see out there.
Is that a jet?
Look at that stop thing.
Yeah.
Let's go inside. It's rolling in here.
Okay. What, did the power just went out? Yeah.
What them girls at?
They must be in the front. Okay.